You must be daddy's little pumpkin, I can tell by the way you roll. You must be daddy's little pumpkin, I can tell by the way you roll. Well, it's 11:15 and you're sleeping on the bedroom floor.
It's hitting the bottom of the chair. Time to get something bigger to cover him with.
You must be daddy's little pumpkin, I can tell by the way you roll. Well, it's 11:15 and you're sleeping on the bedroom floor. I can see the fire burning right behind your eyes. I can see the fire.
I'm a little worried about my pumpkin. I screwed the can back like 2 or so days ago. I don't think he's grown any, and he's turning orange, and there looks to be a split in the side of him. Look, think boo. Roll it right through there. Guess I'm gonna roll it right over these down.
$55. $55. $55.
Wow.
Have to get you a job at Victoria's Secret.
88.
88.
You gotta do the math.
You must be daddy's little pumpkin, I can tell by the way you roll. You must be daddy's little pumpkin, I can tell by the way you roll.